Hi folks, Cameron here for another edition of Cameron's Pantry. I do apologize for not being able to post other Cameron's Pantries over the past 3 or 4 weeks, I think, because I am making headway with a couple of new projects right now. But I wanted to squeeze this one in because this caught my eye, and I wanted to show you something that says 100% of what you want and 0% of what you don't. These, as you can tell by the thumbnail that I created, they're called Switch. This one is a blend of 4 juices. It's 100% juice. It's 110 calories per 8-ounce serving. Well, no fat, only 10 milligrams of sodium, 26 grams of total carbohydrates, which only includes 25 grams of sugar, 260 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of vitamin C. And that's 70% of your daily allowance right here. Well, the blends, the juice blends are grape juice, orange juice, tangerine. There's natural flavor. This is distributed by Apple and Eve LLC of Carneys Point, New Jersey. It's pasteurized, gluten-free. It's not a low-calorie food though, but it's 100% sparkling juice with no sugar added. And reading the blurb on the back right here: switch gears, switch hands, switch socks, switch channels, switch it up, switch over. Hey, change is good, especially the one you're holding in your hand. The Switch Sparkling 100% juice is a refreshing change for the better. Well played. Drink something good for a change. And you can check them out at switchbev.com. See? switchbev.com. So, we're going to try this orange tangerine. I have a little lunch with me, chicken burritos that I made myself with black beans. Oh, that's good. That actually reminds me of an orange crush. Very flavorful, very refreshing, very tasty. I like this one. That is really good. That is really, really good. And now we're going to try this kiwi berry. It's a blend of 5 juices from concentrate, and that includes apple juice, grape juice, kiwi juice, raspberry juice as well, strawberry juice. Now this should be really interesting. I really like strawberry and cherry, but there's no cherry in this. However, okay, first impressions, not bad. You can get the kiwi, you can get the strawberry, especially the strawberry is kind of strong with the strawberry. So if you're a fan of maybe sparkling strawberry, try this one. Leaves a little aftertaste in your mouth. Not bad. Very refreshing with this. So, last one we have is a watermelon and strawberry. It's a blend of 6 juices, which are apple juice, grape juice, carrot juice, strawberry juice, watermelon juice, black currant juice. Oh, almost forgot to mention about the strawberry. Let's go back to this for a minute. It is 110 calories. There's only 15 milligrams of sodium, 26 grams of total carbohydrates, 25 grams of it being sugar, of course, with only 260 milligrams of potassium and 60 milligrams of vitamin C. Now, I apologize for that. It's been a while since I've done this stuff. Now, as for the watermelon strawberry, it's 120 calories per serving with 5 milligrams of sodium, 29 grams of total carbohydrates, and 28 grams of it happens to be sugar. And 260 milligrams of potassium, of course 16 milligrams of vitamin C. And that's 70% of your daily allowance right there. This should be interesting. Break into this. Ooh, it's almost like a ginger ale in a way. Kiwi's on point, yeah. Even the watermelon and the strawberry. Just a slight hint of strawberry, I might add. This would be really refreshing on a hot summer day. So, my recommendations, I would truly recommend this one first. I would say this would be my second choice, second recommendation, mind you. This would be my third. I know this is kind of short, kind of sweet. Yeah, all of these things I'm having with my lunch. Chicken burritos. So, thank you for joining me for this episode of Cameron's Pantry. Until next time.